Finally, day 24, if I'm counting this correctly. The title will say whatever day it is. So, and since it's like the day before Christmas, I'm adding this other Christmas puzzle into the mix of unboxing. Now, a while ago, a few months ago, I saw this on eBay. I was thinking, wait, what? And literally, just looking at the back of it, there's literally nothing. No UPC barcode, no branding, nothing on the back. It's just plain old black. On the front, down here, says made in China. Up here, for ages 3 and up. And then over here, it just says puzzle. Now, when I got this, I was hesitating about wanting to open it. And then I decided, you know what, screw it, open it. And I carefully already pre-opened it and took a look at this after I got it. No, and yeah. Okay. Now, you may be thinking, how is this a puzzle? Well, if you take off this piece, and you can see, oh, it's a sliding puzzle. One of these simple 15 puzzle type sliding puzzle. So, in it, actually, it's decent. Better than what you expect from those cheapo, generic, Chinese made ones. So in cases, stuff like that happened. So, and I barely have even played with this. I've already noticed that right there, when the groove slot things that where the tiles slide over, it's kind of broken. But otherwise, it's actually not too bad. No. Yeah. Oh, yeah. So, but yeah, another interesting thing about it when I noticed is that if you look on the back, okay, there's this whole thing that supposedly you could hang this up on a wall, like a picture frame, or see this flap thing? You can just basically put this back in. No, like so. If I can get it back in. No, and set it on a table like that. And that's the strangest thing about it. So basically it's like, say, a picture frame with a puzzle. And there's no branding on this. So, and I don't know the origin of this. And so, that's that. I honestly don't even know much about it. Like, when it was made, who made it, and whatnot, and what the deal is, like how it's being sold, and how it's being marketed, and stuff like that. But this type style of puzzle, the 15 puzzle sliding puzzle, has been around for years, like over 100 years. No, and these puzzles have been made out of metal, plastic, wood, bone, and some other materials like that. Though that's commonly available. Paper, I'm not sure if there's a paper version. So, but yeah, and they all have different slightly they all have very similar mechanism of how the rails for them to keep tiles in place, while some others have some more unique railing mechanism and whatnot. And they all can come in a wide variety of different grid patterns, like say 2x4, 3x3, 4x4, 5x5, 5x9, whatnot, and even wide different colors, different pictures, different number of variants, and all this other variant. Which, if you dive deeply into the sliding tile puzzle, the 15 style puzzle, you can go way back to the 60s, 70s, 80s, like from Russia, Europe, and all that, and find a whole bunch of really weird, unique ones out there. And that concludes all of the Advent calendar for 2021. I might end up doing this next year, but who knows?